Alaikum. Yanto go speak in English pedans the better sadara really sepa same day once upon a time plus other water once upon a time by the go other water dile ara send kamuri abona kan decrete boni abona lele yara time mada I go student silam barom madan gele once upon a time I was a student in memory once upon a time yara time mada I was a student in memory I go student silam barom madan kino Engla hoja dile yara go time mada I ki ujilam sig theta prati angale yara show mada yara time mada I rate sig theta angale once upon a time I took cigarette at night I talk cigarette. I talk about darshan budotti past tense lo gujino. Once upon a time, yara time mada I talk cigarette at 9. I cigarette thedam rati angano. Ara in lo hote sale yara time mada tara ara galdito. Yara time mada tara hitara galdito. Ngule once upon a time they call him. They call him. Yara time mada tara hitara galdito ngidno. Ashuru roger bedu rahamaka share gujino.